Business intelligence is the ability to apply the acquired wisdom of facts to enable the business leaders to initiate tactical and strategical actions to improve the results of sales and operations to customer experience in an organization. With this, the business leaders know the current situation and facts and figures in real time. The history with the notations describe in depth what happened and the reason associated with. It's okay and good to know the history and the present. At the same time, it's all the more important to understand what will happen next, what to do to improve or stay at the current trending performance. The role of business analytics is to predict and prescribe with the help of algorithms and scientific data modulation. I am sharing a recent business intelligence and analytics usage and benefits of a growing discrete manufacturing company producing and supplying components and lightweight assemblies to automotive, industrial capital equipment, medical, hospitality, furniture and fixtures, and much more. Although business intelligence and analytics are already in use for sales and operations, procurement, forecast, analytics, logistics, customer experience, their interest is to explore the analytics to align the business function results to rationally with the pay rise budget. The test started in manufacturing, production, quality, planning and assembly sections for productivity improvement. This has led to 40 plus measurements using SAP Business and shop floor actions response to positive results. That's when pervasive analysis is set up for 40 plus measurements in a day with traffic color band in SAP Business One HANA ERP application. With the dashboard visualization, the participation team implemented the corrective actions to see the results in real time. The results visualization boosted the team to implement furthermore improvements in alignment with upcoming opportunities, as they could see the next opportunities time and the visualization in the dashboard. Of course, the team has invested their time and efforts in brainstorming and taking actions on various hypotheses to test and create a positive results effectively. The business intelligence dashboard visualization of historical data supported the management to reflect what has happened in the business and what is the reason for the current state. This means lessons learned. The exploration of pervasive analytics opened the window to see through the prescription of opportunities right in front to take actions to realize positive results shortly. The manufacturing team says working with pervasive analytics remains enthralling in SAP Business One HANA, and finance team who witnessed the positive results and assured the gain throughout the future as they could see through openly available opportunities say our job has become much easier to rationalize with pay rise budget. The HR team who initiated the KPI to deliver program with pay rise justification says pervasive analytics are persuaded by all of us indeed. We had a brief look at business intelligence and analytics. To summarize, business intelligence, historical data visualization in dashboard or graphical form to support business leaders to reflect through lessons learned, what happened and what is the reason for the current situation. Business analytics enables the business leaders, the users, to examine what if scenarios with data modulation and visualization techniques. This means predictions to prescribe. Pervasive analytics enables the business leaders, process owners, extensibility of every function and the process concerning the business metrics necessity to take actions and realize effective results in real time. This means widespread to cover large desired area with acute measurements. This means widespread predict to prescribe widely a large area of the business. I recommend you to watch out the navigation of SAP Business One HANA Business Intelligence and Analytics in the following video. The link is given in the description. Thank you all. See you soon. Bye bye.